Let's talk septic protection. This is your guide to avoiding an absolute disaster. $20,000. That's what one single mistake with your septic system can cost you.
And yeah, this could easily be your next repair bill. Thousands are making these errors right now.
We're not talking about small expenses. These mistakes are literally crippling bank accounts.
The real problem?
It's widespread ignorance. Most people just have no idea how their system works. I'm talking about flushing the wrong things, skipping basic maintenance, simple, devastating errors. RV owners, you can wreck your tanks in months. Homeowners, you're gambling with everything.
But that all changes today. The answer is actionable intelligence, real info that works.
So here's your protection plan. Master the cleaning, nail the maintenance, and use the right stuff. Look, there's no fluff here, no theory, just practical solutions that actually save you money. And here's the big secret. Most septic problems are 100% preventable. It really comes down to this: ignorance versus knowledge. One leads to failure, the other to decades of life. Just one single mistake can destroy that delicate bacterial balance and cost you a fortune. But the right knowledge, that can extend your system's life by literally decades. And let's be crystal clear about something. This is not for entertainment.
This is protection for your home, your family, and your finances.
Think about it. Every flush, every shower, your whole house depends on this one system. Apply these secrets. Your wallet will thank you. Your home will thank you. So stop scrolling. It's time to start learning. You need to subscribe right now. Seriously, why would you gamble with a $20,000 nightmare when prevention is free?